Today, 29 December, detailed discussion related Phil Kine must subscribe our channel for latest update. This time, Phil Kine market price is $1.36. 2% move in last 24 hours. First, open the Phil Kine in 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, Phil Kine can try to move. Recent profit taking area is $1.36. 1.367. This point is profit taking area. Must take the profit. If you are in profit in 1 day time frame, Phil can try to move. Phil can stabilize in 1 day time frame in 1.16 area. In 1 day time frame, Phil can reject 7 November 2024 from $3.95 to 1.6 area. Before this rejection, check the latest rejected area $2.48 to 0.58 cent in 10 October 2024. For more detail, open chart in 1 week time frame. In 1 week time frame, Phil can reject in December 2024 $6.8.4. In April 2025 give dip April to May. In April give dip $2. April to May move to $3.2. June dip $1.1. July move $3. After July, Phil can move slowly down. 10 October big rejection. Then in November heavily Phil pump up. After November, Phil again down. Then this time try to move, but this time Phil is very risky because Phil this time total dependent on whale. This time try to move. If you open the trade in Phil must maintain the leverage and must use the stop loss because stop loss is very important at this time. Many people open the trade in Phil with heavy leverage, but always use stop loss. Stop loss is too much important at this time. In 1 month time frame, Phil can try to move, but this time stop loss is too much important. Too much important. Check the history of Phil Kine. Phil Kine rejected $69 in 2022. That means Phil can give go bottom to bottom, bottom to bottom. That means point to point profit taking is too much important. If you are in profit, must take the profit at this point. If you trade in Phil then must use stop loss point. This time profit not only take, use the stop loss. Next targeted area Phil 1.5. Next target area 1.7. Next target area $2. These things are very important. Go to overview option, check the further detail. Philkine is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity most important information. It is an open resource. Go to data option. In 1 day time frame, heavy amount of selling pressure. Go to feed option, check the further detail. That means that Philkine can slowly move upward. Try to move upward. If you open the trade in Philkine, then must maintain the leverage. Leverage is too much important in Philkine. Must maintain the stop loss. Must use very small portfolio when we open the trade in Philkine, and point to point profit taking is very important. Heavy amount heavy amount of profit taking point to point. First take 50% of profit if you are in profit.